Good morning. My name is Kartyayani and my metric number is CW230037. The sample that was provided to us is marble cake and sponge cake. For me, I like the marble cake the most because it's rich in buttery flavor. Butter, the main ingredient, adds a rich and creamy flavor that is comforting and decent. It's a popular flavor that appeals to people from all walks of life. Next, the balance of fat and sugar create a tender calm that melts in our mouth, making it satisfying to eat. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Mukris and sample 148 overall produced a nice, swirl and dense texture overall, but some found it too sweet. Sample 579 was light and airy, but had no flavor nor visual appeal. For sample 914, the presentation was designed and balanced flavor with slightly dense. Panelists were most partial to sample 914 in terms of taste, but sample 148 distinguished itself in appearance. Additional improvements such as providing more water for rinsing, keeping portion consistent and serving cakes fresh when prepared will improve future testing session. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Akmal Hilmi bin Baharuddin and my matrix number is CW230008. In this video, I will talk about the reflection on what I do in the sensory test for Practical 5, Test B, which is an effective test using a hedonic scale. The sample used in this test is strawberry jam for the sample number 162, which is an imported brand strawberry jam. I have rate for scale 8 for its sourness indicates like very much, and for the sweetness of imported jam, I rate for scale 4, which is dislike slightly. For overall, I rate it for scale 6, indicating like slightly for the sample level of sourness and sweetness.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Rahman Shabi Zaidi and my matrix number is CW230019. In this video, I will talk about the reflection on what I do in the sensory test for Practical 5, Test B, which is an effective test using a hedonic scale. The sample used in this test is strawberry jam. For the sample number 354, which is a Malaysian brand strawberry jam, I have rated 6 for both its sourness and sweetness that indicates like slightly. For the overall, I rate it a 7, indicating like moderately for the sample level of sourness and sweetness.
In the sausage ranking test, I tasted 4 samples with different added ingredients: Italian seasoning, mushroom, cheese and black pepper. Each sausage had a unique flavor, from the herby taste of the Italian sausage to the creamy richness of the cheese sausage, the subtle earthiness of the mushroom and the spicy kick of black pepper. Personally, I like the cheese sausage most, followed by the black pepper, Italian seasoning and mushroom. This practical showed me how small changes in ingredients can influence flavor.
So in Practical C, we are doing a ranking test where it is a method to compare the products and to assess the consumer liking or preference. Okay, so as Liana mentioned earlier, in this test we are testing with 4 different kind of sausage, and we were asked to rank with the most preferred sample as number 4 and the least preferred sample as number 1. Okay, so as for me, I really like the black pepper sausage because it have this smoky taste to it, and I really like it. And the rest would be the cheese sausage, followed by the mushroom, and lastly would be the Italian sausage.